Second, the female reproductive system. It consists of 2 ovaries. They are 2 glands having the size of a peeled almond. They lie inside the body in the lower part of the abdominal cavity from the back. Function of the ovaries. Production of the ova, where each ovary produces 1 ovum every 28 days in exchange with another ovary in a process known as ovulation. Production and secretion of the female hormones, which are estrogen, responsible for the appearance of secondary sexual characters in female. Progesterone, necessary for happening and continuity of pregnancy. Signs of puberty in female. Growth of hair in armpit and pubic. Softness of voice, growth and development of breast, accumulation of fats in certain parts of the body. Starting of menstrual cycle, which takes part every 28 days as long as no pregnancy happens. Note, menstrual cycle starts at the age of 11 to 14 years and stop at the age of menopause, 45 to 55 years. Two fallopian tubes. They are 2 tubes of funnel-shaped opening provided with finger-like projections. The inner wall of fallopian tubes lined with cilia. The 2 fallopian tubes are open in upper corners of the uterus. Function of fallopian tubes. They receive the ripe ovum and direct it towards the uterus by the aid of the contraction and relaxation of the muscles in the tube wall. The movement of the lining cilia. The uterus. It's a hollow pear-shaped organ. It has a muscular wall that can expand as the fetus grows during pregnancy. It is lined with mucous membrane, rich in blood capillaries to form placenta, which feeds the embryo during pregnancy by the umbilical cord. It lies in the pelvic cavity between the urinary bladder and the rectum. Function of uterus. It protects and nourishes the fetus during the pregnancy until birth. The vagina. It extends from the uterus and ends in the external genital opening. It is a muscular tube that expands during the labor to deliver the baby. Structure of the ovum and the sperm. Points of comparison. Structure. The sperm. It consists of the head, contain 1/2 of the genetic material, chromosomes. The midpiece contains mitochondria that produces the need energy for the sperm's movement. The tail, thin and long to help in the movement of the sperm till reaches the ovum. The ovum, it consists of the nucleus, contains 1/2 of the genetic material, chromosomes. The cytoplasm stores food and nutrients. The cellular membrane, it surrounds, coats the cell from outside. Ability of movement of the sperm, mobile, movable. Ability of movement of the ovum, not mobile, static. Size of the sperm, very small compared with the ovum. Size of the ovum, large in size as a sesame seed size, due to the storage of nutrient materials and has spherical shape. Do you know? The testis of the adult human male produces about 2 billion sperms per day. The lifetime of a single sperm inside the female vagina ranges from 2 to 6 hours. This period can extend to reach up to 3 days if the sperm manages to break through the cervix and enters the uterus, where it feeds on uterine secretions.